Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you in the title, today I'll be celebrating a very special Christmas and I'll be taking you guys along. Before you come along to the tons of celebrations we are going to have, let me first start off by explaining what this is all about and what we're even doing in the first place. So today we are going to this orphanage where we're going to donate a lot of stuff. Like we have collected clothes, toys, groceries, like as in groceries, as in we have collected food, we have collected personal hygiene and personal care supplies, and we have collected so many donations through this Christmas donation drive that we have conducted, and thankfully many people have taken part and collaborated and helped us come to this point and helped us with a lot of donations. So for the donations part, we organized this Christmas donation drive, and and for that we made these posters, which I'm just gonna insert. But we made these posters with a nice note, and with enough information to give them an idea about what we're doing, who we are doing this for, and how they can contribute and what they can donate. So once we made the posters, we of course send it to everyone we knew, our friends, family, also uploaded it on social media accounts, and we just spread the word, and once we collected all the donations, we went ahead and planned all our food arrangements, decorations, activities, games, and the whole plan on how we are going to proceed with the celebrations and how we are going to organize them. So to know more about that, let's go into the next clip. Now we are going Christmas shopping, so we're just gonna drop by a few places to buy some Christmas decoration and few goodies and some nice gifts for the children at the orphanage. So let's go shopping. from shopping, and I thought why not just show you guys what I bought. Like, I'm just gonna give you a glimpse of all the things I bought. Not everything, there are a lot of covers and I cannot cover everything in this, but I'm gonna show you guys all the things we bought for the kids at the orphanage. So first, to start off, I wanted to give them these goodie bags, you know, with like stationery, school stationery, supplies and all. So for those goodie bags, I got these cute covers, these smiley covers, and in each packet there are 10 bags. So like that I bought 4 or 5. Yeah, there's another one, so I bought 5 of them. And inside those goodie bags, we're gonna give them these pens. I also bought a lot of pens. And yeah, so we're gonna put the pens in the goodie bags, and we're also gonna give them few cute crayons. I bought the pink and blue packet. These are the crayons. You know, there are these colors. And yeah, we bought few crayons, pens, bags, and we also bought a plenty of pencil sets. Yeah, there are plenty of pencil sets. As you can see, there are 3 pencils, a sharpener and a razor. So I think all these supplies are enough. But of course, we can't give pencils, pens, crayons without a book. So yeah, I bought these classmate notebooks to go with the stationery. So we have our bags, and after we have our bags, we're going to put a book in it, and we're going to put these pencils and pencil sharpener and eraser. We're also going to put these crayons, and at last we're going to top it off with your pens. And now as we have our stationery goodie bag ready, I also bought few supplies. I also bought few things I needed to organize activities for them. So I was thinking of organizing 2-day activities, Christmas activities for the kids. And I bought these. So I bought a few packets of these paints. Like I bought these Rangila paints. I have these open ones to show you. So they have 3 of them in one packet. I bought 4 packets of them. I also have these twirl, I don't know what they call. These things I bought, like all this, a whole box of them. And yeah, I have these fully twirling things. I have a lot of arts and crafts supplies that I bought, and a few of them that I already have at home. And yeah, once I got all the supplies needed for the second activity, I went ahead and I bought few small presents. So I bought these, you know, cute clay baskets. I bought about 10 of them. They have all these different colors of clay, and they come in this cute basket, which I'm in love with. And I bought 3 different colors: blue, green, and pink. I also bought these smiley goodie bands, like these smiley goodie bands. They were so cute. You know, look at that. These cute smiley goodie bands with this mustache and everything. So yeah, I just looked for presents almost like everyone, all children will like, you know, instead of like a Barbie doll or a car where like a boy or a girl is like a typical girl. But I think these like have a more wide gender range where almost everyone can like it. So yeah, I bought clay, you know, kitty bands as presents for the games they play, and I also bought few supplies for the activities. I also showed you guys what are going to go into the goodie bags that we're going to give them. Also bought these cute ornaments, you know, a lot of ornaments. There are also many more, but I think you'll see them in the further clips for the video. I have videos. I also bought these cute baskets I thought we could use. I got these reindeer ones, this. Let me show you more. These cute glasses, like they're these Christmas tree glasses. There's the Santa Claus glasses. So yeah, I have these glasses, and I have the headbands, different types of headbands. There's also this cute Christmas hat that I bought for myself. Let me just put it down. And yeah, I think I showed you guys all that's needed. That's at least relevant for this video. Let's put here and there. Also, you know, big one for the centerpiece. Usually cute as well. And yeah, bought few ornaments, you know, more ornaments and everything just to decorate Christmas tree. And what else? I bought few other decor items. I'm gonna show whatever are, you know, thrown out. Like I bought these foil backdrops. So yeah, we ordered a plenty of these Christmas hats online. They still have not arrived, but we ordered them, and in the Christmas hats We're gonna take these Christmas hats, and in them we're gonna put few, small, maybe fruity drinks, apple juice or something like that, a small chips packet, and a cupcake, cookie, or like some other snack. What decorations I have planned and what activities I have, and how everything's going to turn out. It's going to be really fun. But for now, so yeah, I'll meet you guys in the next clip. Bye. For the activity station, first I have my arts and crafts station for which these are all the supplies. Let me just open it up and show you. So I thought one activity for the activity station, I have 3 different things they can do. The first one is they can make DIY ornaments, and for those DIY ornaments I just have these foam glitter ice cream sticks. I have them in different colors, and along with that I have these containers filled with different colors of glitter, mostly the Christmas twisty kind of things. I use this to just shape it as a candy cane, or we can use this to shape it as a Christmas tree and hang it up. These are all that paper craft. For now, once we have our DIY ornament crafts ready, I also have few supplies for the Christmas card making. I also have few supplies to make the Christmas cards. So instead of just randomly making Christmas cards, I thought it will be special to let the kids make Christmas cards for the people who donated for them. So I made a list of all the people who have contributed and donated, and we're going to help the kids make cards for them, and then we're going to distribute it to them as a thank you note for making this small contribution and donating towards making these kids Christmas so much more special and merrier. So yeah, I thought that would be a very special activity to put in the craft station. So yeah, for now we have our DIY ornaments and Christmas cards. Also my friend is really good at origami and doodling and all, so we thought we could also put that, where she helps the children and teaches them how to do origami and doodling and everything. So yeah, for the but getting back, for the Christmas cards we also have these basic small Feviquicks, sketch pens, and this is very messy, but let me show you. We also have these colorful cards that we have folded and already prepared and put them ready for the kids. So we have purple, green, yellow, orange, blue. We have these bright pinks, greens, and all that. Along with the cards, I also cut out these. I also have these star-shaped cutouts to just decorate the cards, along with few like these cutouts paper pieces like this. Yeah, and going on to the next activity, after the arts and craft activity, we have this tattoo station, the Christmas themed tattoo station, where I prepared few tattoo ideas so they can just choose. I did not really get time to color all of them, but yeah, I just drew few tattoo options so the kids can choose from, and my friend is really good at painting tattoos, so she is gonna handle the Christmas tattoo station. So yeah, these are few options they have, and of course for the tattoo station we have these supplies. I mean, for tattoos we don't really need much, we just need paint. So I bought these Rangila paints. In each paint set we have 3 different ones like this, and yeah, so we have about 6 of them. And maybe if they want to add some glitter onto the paint, again they can use these powdered glitter, or they can use the same glitter we are using for the arts and crafts section. So once we have our tattoo station ready, the next station is for girls, like especially teen girls, for maybe like girls above 13 or 14, if they don't enjoy getting tattoos done or doing arts and crafts, I thought it'll be really cool if we can put a small, and cute makeup station for them, where we'll just do some simple makeup, like some pink eyeshadow with glitter and all, because it's something really fancy and fun for girls of that age. And I don't think they'll get that opportunity or chance to do this that often. Like, I don't think they'll have the supplies or anything to buy this fancy makeup, eyeshadow sets, do all that dress up things. So I thought it'll be something they'll really enjoy and something they'll love. So yeah, I packed this whole makeup bag, for which first of course we need our makeup brushes. So I have basic makeup brushes for the eyeshadow and all. I also have few brushes, extra brushes like these. And then I have 2 to 3 eyeshadow palettes. This is my favorite one, I think, which they love too. It's like this glitter one. And yeah, I also have other supplies like highlighter, blush, all these. So yeah, this is the next station. And now that's it for activities. Now you're wondering, what will teen boys do? As I said, my friend has these doodling and origami station planned for them. So yeah. So now, as I explained what all activities I'm gonna organize, I just wanted to show you guys the cute props and cute showpieces I bought to accessorize those stations. So first I bought these cute small Christmas trees to accessorize the 3 different stations. So one station, one Christmas tree. And I also have these cute Merry Christmas baskets. So I'm gonna use these 2 baskets for 2 different activities. For this, I'm going to use this basket just to fill up the water for the tattoo station, and then I'm going to use this either as a makeup brush holder or either some holder for the arts and crafts station. So we don't know now, but let's see what we'll need it for once we get there. So yeah, now as I've explained and showed how I'm going to set up the activity station, let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, so now for the decoration part, I have a whole bag of decorations, and yeah, let me show you what all I'm gonna carry. So first I have the main bag, which is the smallest bag, and in that first I have all the props and just props and supplies for the photo booth. I'm pretty sure I already showed you guys what all I have, so I'm just gonna give a glimpse again. So these are the photo booth props, and once I pack the photo booth props, of course I need the decor for the main photo booth. So again, simple and easy decor, and yeah, simple and easy decor can be done by these foil curtains. So I'm gonna use this foil curtains in the same pattern. I'm going to first hang the gold one, then the red one, then again the gold one onto the backdrop stand that I'm going to carry, which you're going to see there when we are actually decorating. So once we have the main backdrop and props ready, I also have these cute hangings. I have this tree that says Merry Christmas, and also this gift hanging that says Merry Christmas. I already tied the rope to each of them and put them prepared because I'm not sure if we'll find time to do all that once we reach the orphanage. So I'm gonna hang these in front of the gold foil curtains. And once we're done with the decoration, let me show you what activities I have planned. And coming on to the snacks part, we knew that by the time we're gonna reach there, they'll just be coming back from their schools at about 4:30. So as we all know, right after we come back home from our schools, we all need some nice snacks to fill our stomachs with and re-energize. So we knew we had to pack good amount of snacks that of course they're gonna enjoy, that of course have to be delicious and something they have to enjoy. We packed a Haldiram's packet along with a biscuit packet and a fruity juice and a very cute sprinkle filled cupcake. So yeah, that's all for snacks. Let's go on to the next one. And yeah, as we have almost everything prepared, it's time to go and celebrate Christmas. Let's go. Also guys, sorry for the sudden backdrop changes for different clips, but let's just go and continue with the celebration. Guys, we just finished setting up the backdrop and now the kids have just started arriving. So we are gonna go ahead and distribute these Santa hats. Let's go. ఇదా ఇంకో ఇట్లా రోల్ చేయాలి దీన్ని. ఓకే, మొత్తం రోల్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, చూపి నాకు. వావ్, వెరీ నైస్, మంచిగా ఉంది. చూపి. వావ్, మంచిగా ఉన్నావు, మంచిగా.